Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or businesses, affiliates, promote products or services of other companies and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through their promotional efforts. Here is a breakdown of how affiliate marketing typically works. An affiliate can be a blogger, content creator, website owner, social media influencer, or anyone with an online presence interested in promoting products or services. They join affiliate programs offered by merchants or advertisers. Merchant advertiser. The merchant or advertiser is a company or individual that owns the product or service. They want to increase their sales and reach a wider audience. They set up an affiliate program to allow affiliates to promote their offerings. Affiliate links. Upon joining an affiliate program, affiliates receive unique affiliate links or tracking codes. These links contain a special identifier that tracks when a customer makes a purchase or performs a specific action through the affiliate's referral. Promotion. Affiliates promote the merchant's products or services using various marketing channels, such as blog posts, social media posts, email newsletters, videos, or banner ads. They incorporate their affiliate links into these promotional materials. Customer actions. When a customer clicks on an affiliate link, they are redirected to the merchant's website. If the customer makes a purchase or completes a specific action, such as signing up for a service or filling out a form, the affiliate's tracking link records that action. Commission. When a customer's action is tracked and attributed to the affiliate, the merchant calculates the commission owed to the affiliate based on the agreed upon terms, usually a percentage of the sale or a fixed amount per lead. The affiliate receives the commission as compensation for their referral. Affiliate marketing provides benefits to both merchants and affiliates. Merchants can expand their reach, increase sales, and only pay for results. Affiliates have the opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products or services they believe in, without the need to create their own products or handle customer support. It's worth noting that affiliate marketing requires compliance with regulations and ethical practices, including disclosing the affiliate relationship to the audience. Additionally, successful affiliate marketing often relies on building trust with your audience, providing valuable content, and selecting products or services that align with your audience's interests and needs.